So in this video, I'm going to show you the best VPNs for CapCut. So stick around because you'll definitely want to hear this. And before I dive in, just a quick heads up. If you do want to grab any of these VPNs at the best price available, check the links in the description below or just scan that QR code that's on screen right now. So if you're like me and you use CapCut a lot, whether it's for editing little clips, for fun, working on projects, or maybe you're posting content pretty regularly, you probably know the frustration of running into those random limits. Sometimes the app feels slower than it should, or certain effects and features just aren't available, depending on where you are. That's where a VPN really comes in. It's not just about staying secure online, though that's a nice bonus. It's more about making sure CapCut actually runs the way you want it to, giving you access to everything, keeping your connection stable when you're uploading or downloading files, and avoiding that annoying lag or throttling from your internet provider. Now, when you're choosing a VPN specifically for CapCut, there are a few things that matter a lot. Speed is the first one because video editing already takes time. So the last thing you want is a VPN slowing things down even more. Another big factor is how many servers they've got and where those servers are located. Because having options nearby or in countries with better access can make a huge difference in performance. You also want a VPN that can actually get around regional restrictions since not every country has the same version of CapCut. Security is important too, because you're dealing with personal videos and projects. So solid encryption and privacy policies are a must. And finally, it just needs to be easy to use. If it's clunky or confusing, it'll only slow you down when you're trying to focus on editing. Now, let me talk about a few VPNs that are great for CapCut and why I recommend them. I'll start with CyberGhost because it's really easy to use and still powerful enough for more advanced stuff. It's fast, reliable, and you can grab 84% off plus 4 free months through the link in the description or by scanning the QR code on screen. Next up is Surfshark, which is great if you really want solid speeds and tons of servers without spinning too much. Plus, with the link below, you'll get 60% off and 3 free months, which is a crazy good deal. Another one that's worth checking out is NortonVPN. It's a well-known company, it's consistent, and you can save up to $35 with the deal in the description or the QR code on screen. TotalVPN is something I think is a highly underrated option. It's quick, super reliable, and if you're after value, you'll get 80% off through the link I've left below. And of course, NordVPN is still one of the top players for a reason. It's secure, the speeds are fast and consistent, and you get 74% off with 3 extra months free when you grab it through the QR code or description. So yeah, picking the right VPN for CapCut really just comes down to figuring out which one fits your style best. They all have their own perks, whether it's speed, security, or just overall ease of use. Just make sure to check out the links in the description below to get the best price available, or again, you can just scan the QR code on screen. And now I want to know, do you already use a VPN with CapCut, or is there one you've been thinking about trying? Drop a comment down below because I'd love to hear your thoughts on this.